Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the EVS class. So, class 1, we all know this is your EVS book. Please take page number 24. In the last class, we learned chapter 4, Celebrating Together. In this chapter, we learned there are many special days and we celebrate different festivals where we come together with our friends, family members and neighbors and relatives. And when we celebrate festivals, we wear new clothes, we eat good food, and we also distribute sweets to our neighbors and friends. Okay. Also, we learned religious festivals. There are many religious festivals which are Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab and Christmas. Now, we also saw Diwali is celebrated by Hindus, Eid is celebrated by Muslims, and Gurpurab is celebrated by Sikh, and also Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Okay, children. Now, today we are going to learn from page number 26. So, all of you take page number 26. Important days. Now today we are going to learn about this topic, important days. See the first line. There are some days which are important for our countries. So important days, we learn what is that. There are many days are there in our life, but some days are very important to our country to remember and celebrate. What are they? First one, Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Second one, Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Then Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Independence Day. We saw Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August. What is that? That we remember that our country received freedom from foreign countries. And Republic Day, there we celebrate on 26th January, where we all human being of India has freedom rights of our own. And Gandhi Jayanti. Now who is Gandhi? Gandhi is our father of the nation who fought with the foreigners in order to get freedom for our country. So these days are celebrated by everyone in our country and are holidays for all. So these 3 days, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, these are celebrated throughout our country, India, and also it is a holiday for all of us. On Independence Day and Republic Day, people sing the national anthem and hoist the national flag. So we sing the national anthem on the day of Independence Day and Republic Day especially, and hoist the national flag. We'll see now the values, what we learn from this chapter. We should respect all festivals. We learned Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas, etc. We must respect all the festivals. We should not make fun of festivals which do not celebrate. So we should not also make fun of other festivals which we are not celebrating. We should share the special food and gift that we get on festivals and special days. We also need to share the food and that we get on the day of festivals. And children, how do you greet your friends and family on your festival? So when you celebrate festival, we wish them happy feast and pray for them and bless them. And you get good dress, good food, sweets from your parents and relatives. Now we will see points to remember. See this page. Points to remember, page number 26. We learned this chapter 4, celebrating together. So now we are going to see what did we learn from the chapter. What we have to remember. Especially we learned the festivals. What is that? We celebrate festivals and special days with our family, friends and neighbors. Second one, we saw festivals are special days when we have lots of fun. There are different kinds of festivals that we celebrate. What are they? Religious festival, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. Then the important days of our country are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, these are some of the points we need to remember. Now come down to the page 27. In page 27, we are going to learn the words. The words we need to learn from this chapter. There are many words. We learned celebrate. Celebrate means enjoy yourself and be happy. Religious. Who are religious? Related to the worship of God. Third one, exchange. To give one thing and get another thing for it. That is exchange. When I give something to another and I will get other things what I need from other people. Worship, the fourth one. To show that you believe in God by praying. So we worship God to show that we believe in Him. Fasting. To not eat food for a certain period of time. Fasting means we don't eat food for some time. We give up food in order for something good to happen. Founder. A person who starts something. Founder means a person who starts something. Maybe school or maybe some other business or some other work, something which a person starts, known as founder. Andam, a song that is specially sang in important days, which is very important for our country, which is sang on the special occasions. What are they? What is that? A national anthem. Then hoist. Hoist is to pull something up to the higher level. Hoist means something raising from down to the upward. Okay, that is called hoist. So when we raise flag, we say hoisting the flag. Okay, class 1. We have completed chapter 4, celebrating together. Okay, now we are going to see the exercises. Page number 27, exercises. A. We'll see fill in the blanks. Dash is known as the festival of lights. Which is the festival of light? We all know Diwali is festival of light. So we'll write it Diwali. Second one, dash is the holy month of fasting before Eid. When people fast and pray before the Eid. That is which month? Ramzan. Dash is an important festival of the Sikh. The third one you see, dash is an important festival of Sikh people. Which one? Is it Christmas or Gurpurab? Sikh people celebrate Gurpurab. It is their important festival. Fourth one. See, we celebrate the birthday of dash as Christmas. There are people who celebrate birthday of Jesus Christ as the Christmas. Who are they? Christians. So, answer is Jesus Christ. Fifth one. Dash is celebrated by everyone in the country. In our country, we saw so many important days are we celebrate. So now, which is the most important days that we celebrate as a country? Eid or Independence Day? It is Independence Day. Everyone will celebrate. Very good. Okay, class 1. We are coming to exercise B. Page number 27. See, write T for true and F for false. See, first one. Festivals are a time of joy and celebration. Yes or no? It is yes. So what we are going to write? True. T. So we'll write it T there. Second one. So we will be writing in this box. See here box me. We'll write yes or no or tick. Second one. Diwali is a festival of Muslims. We saw Diwali is the festival of Hindus. Now they are asking Diwali is a festival of Muslim. Is it right or wrong? It is wrong. So it is not true. It is false. Eid is celebrated after the month of fasting. So we saw Muslim people have a month of fasting, praying and celebrate Eid after fasting. Yes, it is correct. Okay, very good. Now the fourth one. Turn to page 28. In 28, the top one, 4. Christmas is celebrated on 23rd January. We saw Christmas celebrated on 25th December. Okay, children, it is not 23rd January. So it is wrong. It is not true but false. Fifth one. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Yes, Gandhi was born on 2nd October and we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So it is right. Now see in page number 8, C. The page number 28 may see, you see here, see, do and learn. These 3 questions and do and learn is for your homework. What is that? What is festival? You have to write as your homework. Second one, name any 2 religious festival. So there are, we saw 4 religious festival. You can write only 2. Third one, how do people celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day? We all celebrate together. So you will write as your homework in your copy. And do and learn is your homework. Okay, class 1. Here we are ending the class now. So we saw the chapter 4 exercises and the homework I am giving you for the next day. See and do and learn from page number 28. So here we are going to conclude the class. So wish you all the best. Learn and do your homework well. Okay children, bye.